Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open on a slower note as expected, and we can see that gold is trading at 1978. As we already know that usually we do not get to see much movement or craziness during the first half. Market prefers to sleep during the first half, and that is what happening in the market right now. First of all, let's look at the chart of dollar. So yes, after the market opening, dollar formed a red candle and right now standing at the first support. The first support of 103 level. Market took support around the FIBO 23.6% retracement level. My dear friend, if you are looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff or how we have derived these levels, because the existing subscribers will be bored. Okay. So let's continue. So during the day, if this level fails and due to the change in market sentiment, there is a high chance that market is trying its best, but market will ultimately surrender. So there is a high chance that market will come down to the next support of 102.62, because we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, as well as we also have the 50 moving average coming up. So this will be a next support for DXY if the present level fails. And as we all know that after the speech of Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, the market sentiment has changed for US dollar. So let's wait and watch. If dollar recovers, then obviously I know that many of you will be very happy, because most of you are stuck in gold positions. So let's wait and watch. So this is the chart of gold USD Forex chart, and overall the levels have not changed at all. Whatever levels we have discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. Though for the last couple of days the market structure was not positive, the market was forming lower lows, lower highs, but due to recent change in events, the market structure may change. Usually in this type of market, the static supports do not work, but today we can hope that if market comes down also, the previous low may work. Before we proceed, I would like to give a big shout out to Chart Prime, who have sponsored today's video. You guys have heard me talking about Chart Prime and how it helps us with the live buy and sell signals on the chart. But today we will be looking at other awesome features of the Chart Prime that can really change the way you trade and make your life easier. First of all, the famous Chart Prime oscillator. The oscillator not only helps you with the overbought and oversold levels, but also saves your time by telling you about the divergences. You don't need to worry about missing any divergence, because the tool does the job for you. It tells you the minor divergences, major, hidden, not hidden, all the divergence will be marked for you, so that you don't need to worry about missing anything. Secondly, you can see that I have got many lines on the chart. So this is a multi-time frame support and resistance lines. So you don't need to spend your time drawing lines. The tool does a very awesome job. You can see that the range is also marked by the tool. And apart from these two things and the live signals that I always talk about in my videos, you can see that they also have a pattern detection. If I remove this, you can now see clearly that the tool also marks symmetrical triangle pattern, inverted head and shoulder, double top, head and shoulder, double top, head and shoulder pattern. And if I go to the Euro USD, the most popular currency pair, then you can see that here also it has marked beautifully a symmetrical triangle pattern, double top pattern. Then you can see a double top here also. If you go to the settings, then you can mark everything. Apart from chart patterns, they also have the candlestick pattern detection also. You can simply go to their website. Under the tutorial section, they have a long list of videos where you can find out how the tool works. Okay, and if you straight into jump into the money making section, okay, you can just go to the strategies also. Okay, they have got fully covered. Okay, And my dear friends, they have an awesome community on Discord. You can join the Discord community for regular updates. If you really want to change your trading style and if you really want to make your life easy, then please check out the link in the description. If you really want to take your trading to the next level, then definitely you can consider joining the Chart Prime. Today is the last day. They are giving a 45% off. On the website, they are giving a 40% off, and if you use the link in the description or code in the description, you will get a flat 45% off, and today is the last day. Feel free to check them out. So as we can clearly see, the right now market is struggling around the FIBO 23.6%, which is also acting as the resistance right now, and the same level was the previous support also. So a goal needs to clear this level first. As we have already discussed on Saturday, that goal needs to clear 1986 level. If gold breaks 1986 level, then we can look for a quick buy opportunity, because the next target or the next level will be 1996. But still, I will not recommend a trade of 100 pips because it can be a little bit risky, but easily you can target 40-50 pips if gold breaks 1986 level. But once the market will hit 1996 level, observe the market, because around 1996 we have a minor resistance, and if market reverses from 1996 level, you can look for a sell position. As we already know that the best selling zone on the chart of gold is around 2005 to 2009. This is the best selling zone on the chart of gold because of previous support around the area which will be acting as the new resistance. We have multiple moving averages working as dynamic resistances. So overall, you can expect that good amount of selling pressure is present. So as a result, it will be difficult for gold to cross 2005 to 2009 level. So these are the two selling opportunities in front of us. 1996 as a minor level. If market reverses, we can look for a quick sell. But yes, this is not a very strong level. Gold needs to reverse. You need to have the confirmation first. Then we have the next selling zone around 2005 to 2009 level. Okay, and as you can clearly see, that though market is standing at a resistance for the last 8 to 10 hours, but still the market is not ready to surrender, which signifies that buyers in the market are still trying their best, giving their best fight to take the market up. So there is a chance that gold will try to recover during the day. And most importantly, fundamentally also, the market sentiment has changed. We should not forget that. And in case during the day, if gold starts falling, then we have 1952 as the next support for the market. As I have already said, that in this type of market situation, usually static supports do not work. But as Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell has clearly stated that they are not going for any immediate interest rate hikes, which has changed the market direction right now. So there is a chance that next time gold will be taking support around 1952 as well. Okay, 1952, then we have 1945 as the support, and then the strongest support around 1936. We have already discussed on Saturday about the importance of 1945-36. 1936 seems to be the strongest support here because of FIBO 50 as well as previous strong price rejection around the area. We are also considering 1945 because of previous bounce from this area. So both the levels are good enough, but 1936 seems to be a better support where we can expect the strong buyers are present. Okay. And due to change in market sentiment, we are also considering 1952 also as a possible support right now. But right now gold is showing some indecision, so it's better to avoid any fresh position right now. Okay, because we can clearly see that we do not have any clarity right after the market opening. So let's wait and watch. This is a 15-minute chart, and if gold breaks 1973 also, then also I think it's better to avoid any seller right now. Usually we do not get to see much craziness during the first half, so After European session or US session, or during the US session, you can expect some movement or a direction in the market. So let's wait for the clear direction. And as I always say, my difference, be a trader, not a gambler. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. If the market is not right, okay, just leave the market. No need to trade. Okay, never chase the market. Let the price come to you. Bye bye. Take care.